We are here inside the tobacco company. They have a retrofitted elevator. This is new, but it's old. Let's look at this old call station. Oh yeah, we are. Look at this old call station. Let's turn on the elevaTOURS video light.
I haven't started my video yet. Can I start on 3?
3. Look at that. Now look out here. I love what they've done to this elevator.
Now let me just get on and start my video.
Alright, I'm going to take a look at it while you're doing that. This thing is just beautiful. It's got the old elevator operator seat. It's got an old hand crank. Old elevator signal. Otis, and look who's coming in the elevator. Down there's your elevator operator chair.
Which is bolted down, you can't sit on it.
And look at that, Otis Elevator Company. So they bought this elevator and restored it?
Yeah, forget the building, it was somewhere in New York.
This obviously was originally Traction. Is basement open?
Yes, I don't know. I know it was Traction. I don't think basement is open.
One works.
It's like a nightclub.
This is a neat elevator.
Look at the chandelier.
This place is classy.
It is.
There's the bar down there.
The car station barely original.
The car station is original.
This is Traction in a high-rise building.
Well, either that, they probably bought an old car station off eBay or something.
That's what it was.
I'm going to watch this thing go up.
You don't want to take one more round trip?
I will just watch it go up.
Alright.
Excuse me.
Is that the old Traction point thing?
Probably. It should go up here in a second. There it goes.
Look at the way it fell on.
You can see the hydraulic jack and or the ram and the alarm bell underneath the car.
Yeah, do that.
That is one neat elevator. That is awesome. And that'll be it. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.